It's 2 weeks and the radishes are up and it's time to thin them. If you remember, we planted them 2 seeds per hole to try and make sure that we had 1 plant when we were all done. So to thin, like we'll take this right here, I have 2 plants and one of these needs to go. So I'm going to look and see which one seems the farthest along and the healthiest. And that's this one right here. So I'm going to keep this one and I'm going to get rid of this one. But they're planted so close together that if I pull this up, I'm probably going to disturb that one. So I'm going to come along with a pair of scissors and just trim off the plant I don't want. So let's move over here to this one. I'm going to get rid of that one right there. This one only has one, that one only has one, that one only has one, so we'll leave that alone. Here I'm going to trim this one off. There's none here. Let's see, this one's kind of tangled up. Okay, we'll get rid of that one. And we'll get rid of this one. And I'm going to continue doing this for the rest of the plants. But when we're all done, we'll be down to our final spacing and we can just let the plants grow from there.